It is January 21st. It's Wednesday. Welcome in. This is actually live. You can see that chat there on the screen. And I know these are long-winded lives. That's because they're actually live. So I can see your comments on the screen and they pop up right on the chat. So you can drop a ticker, you can ask about the market, you can ask about Bitcoin. I don't think that Bitcoin is the best buy right now. I think the market as a whole is a little bit weak. That's undeniable. So if you want straight to the point, narrative-driven stock ideas, head over to the videos tab on YouTube on your mobile device or on your desktop, and got those coming out almost every day. For Discord members, trade of the day goes in the Discord at 9:30. That's when people start trading, start buying and selling stocks. People go to funds, people go to financial services firms, offices, trade execution desks, and that's when the market officially opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. You don't have to be Eastern to participate, but for the semi-newbies, that's why the trade happens at 9:30, and the best one goes in the Discord. This is a sneak peek of some of the video content, the drop-in content, drop-in Q&A that happens in the Discord today. Gonna keep this short and sweet. Trying something new today. So here's the deal. We'll do some charts for you too. Trying to hit all your guys' bases here. You want fast videos with charts. Some of you do. If I actually look at the watch time, it turns out you actually don't. But for the expert people, here's some charts for you. For the people who are busy, that's why I try to pick the best stock ideas for you, and the very best one goes to my Discord. Anyway, here's the deal. I think palladium and platinum still look good. I mentioned that yesterday in the live. Money is rushing into metals, gold and silver. Could top out relatively soon, but at least for now, it looks like there could still be breakout opportunities on those two commodities, palladium and platinum. And we'll take a look at those right now. So here's what we've got cooking here. I think palladium might be playable, okay, depending on how we open up. But basically, you've got higher lows, and this is just this morning, a little bit of a gap down and open. And then platinum, okay, so platinum. This one is probably better, right? I mean, it just looks better. It's coming over this high, and anything could happen at open. You know, there's a reason I literally do look at, the first 1 minute candle. So, yesterday, if we look at, for example, United Health yesterday, that first 1 minute candle really told the story. So if you get in here, and I see that, and I mentioned that in the Discord, and you're able to take advantage of that, you're up significantly over the course of the day. So you're up 2% almost, which might not seem like a lot, but for a single day, it's a lot, right? Over 2%. So that's sort of the idea here. And I think PPLT is the move. I've got a whole list that you can look at right here to take your screenshots for the super engaged folks, but you can see them all here. If that's not you, don't worry, there's going to be tons of videos where I go through, fundamentally what's going on in the market, which stocks are most interesting, looking at the economy as a whole a little bit, and then which sectors within those commodities, within those industries are most important. So those are the top stocks. And again, I said I was going to keep this short and sweet. Platinum and palladium. This is actually live. Drop a comment as to what you want to see in these lives. I read every comment. Like the video if you like this live stream. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the Discord. This is going to be the quickest one yet. So I'm just going to get this out and focus on the market, focus on the metals, because that's where the action is at. All right, be back Thursday. See you in the Discord if you're in the Discord. And